Heading is propagation of errors. First, addition or subtraction if we do of two values, then what will be the error? Addition or subtraction. If V1 equals to 4 plus 0.02 meter cube and V2 is 2 plus 0.04 meter cube, find sum and difference of volumes with proper error limit. So since we have to find sum, means we will add, subtraction will subtract, error always added. So this is called error limit. This is called error limit. These are absolute errors. This is actual value. So V1 is 4, V2 is 2, error in V1 and in V2 are 0.02 and 0.04. Please copy this much. Done? Okay. 1 minute. Huh? So V1 4, V2 4, error in V1 0.02, error in V2 0.04. Therefore, V1 plus V2 is 4 plus 2, that is 6, and V1 minus V2 is 4 minus 2 equal to 2. That means for addition, I did addition. For subtraction, I did subtraction for the actual values. But for error, you have to always add dV1 plus dV2, 0.02, 0.04, 0.06. Therefore, sum will be 6 plus error 0.06 meter cube, and difference will be difference, but error is always sum of the two errors. This much you all have followed what I wrote. Sum,
Yes, sir.
sum and difference operation as it is, but while finding error, it should be always added. So actual value of sum is 6 with error limit 0.06. Difference is 2 with error limit 0.06. Copy. अभी SBI का वो 25 है ना कॉल, और HDFC का कितना है? हाँ, अपन ने कितने में दिया था? अच्छा अच्छा, एक 9 में रखना, कोई 9। It is completed.
Yes.
Now, one I am giving you, try on your own. Second sum, if R1 equal to 6 plus 0.02 plus or minus ohm, and R2 is 3 plus or minus 0.03 ohm, find equivalent resistance in series. Can you try on your own this one? What is formula for resistance in series? It is R1
R1 plus
plus
R2 plus
R2.
R3.
So for 2 it is only R1, R2, 3 then plus more R3. So 9 ohm. Now total error in resistance you have to add always. So it is 0.02, 0.03, that is 0.05. So I can say R in series is 9 plus or minus 0.05. Gauravi followed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Copy. Hello? Sir, otherwise, okay. So whenever you are adding, whenever you are subtracting, normal process as usual, but only for error you have to add. Okay. Hello. We'll go ahead.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Atharva, why you are late? Hello, Atharva. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Why you are late?
Sir, some net issue was there.
Oh, sorry. Now, when multiplication, then let us see how the error will be propagating. So if area is length into breadth, just now we did, if it is addition, subtraction, then normal addition, normal subtraction as it is, error only add, don't subtract it. In case of multiplication or division, we'll find relative error. All relative errors are added, whether it is multiplication or division. So change in area with respect to area, length, dB, this is called relative error. Now, if I want to find dA, then using this formula, I can get dA because area I know, length into breadth. Examples I'm giving, just concept see first. Mass is density into volume. Then to find error in mass, first we'll find relative error. relative error. Then this dm can be calculated after substituting in this. So errors are always added. Keep this in mind. Z equals to xy. Here what you will write, Shruti?
dz upon z.
Dz upon z equals to what?
D dx plus
Dx upon
x
x plus dy upon y. If P is A, B, C, Pratham, how to proceed?
dp upon p is equals to dA upon a plus db upon b plus dc upon c.
Yes, that means we are always adding this error. Copy this 4 point. This Sunday test will be on all the assignments. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5. All assignments, questions from that. And your paper you will get today only by 11:30.
Okay, sir.
Yes. And Pratham, this Sunday onwards you will write test, huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Completed.
No, sir. Only. Done, sir.
Okay. So we got addition, subtraction, multiplications rule. Now division. Division. If y is a plus b, again relative error in y, dy by y is dA upon a plus dB upon b. Errors are always added. Second. Suppose v is length into breadth into height. Now what you will do? Same. Relative error in v is relative error in L, relative error in B, and relative error in H. Suppose it
It's
is,
division, so why multiplication?
pardon?
It is division, so why then multiplication is second?
Whether it is division or multiplication, rule is relative error is always added. Okay. Errors are always added. This is the rule to find propagation. So Z is AB upon C. This is dz upon Z is dA upon A plus dB upon B plus dC upon C. Okay, followed now? Multiplication, then also add. Division, then also add. I hope you followed now rule.
Yes.
Yes. Done, sir.
Fine.
Sir, 1 minute.
Shall I clear now?
Yes, sir.
4. If it is in the form of power, then power becomes multiplier. Power becomes multiplier. So dy upon y will be 2. Then same error in A, relative error. Power 3, error in B. Power 4, error in C. So power becomes multiplier, then same rule we have to follow. M raised to 3, n raised to 2, q raised to 2. What will be the error? dp
dp upon p is equals to 3 dm upon m
plus 2 times dn by n plus 2 times dq upon q. This is q I have written. Copy now, first and second.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now, general. In general, if we have a physical quantity in the form of product, power, as well as division. So percentage error in Y will be M times percentage error in A plus N times percentage error in B plus P times percentage error in C. This means M times dA upon A into 100 plus N times dB upon B into 100 plus P times dC upon C into 100. Copy.
So this is nothing but same like power becomes multiplier and then you just have to put it into 100 to make it
Yes,
percent.
because it is percentage. So out of 100, we are multiplying relative error by 100. After this, we will solve numericals. Since we know the rule of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, power, all we know now.
Done, sir.
Okay.
Sir, one. Done.
Now, based on this information, we are starting few numericals. Length equals to 4 plus or minus 0.04 meter. And breadth is 2 plus or minus 0.02 meter. We have to find area with proper error limit. Area with proper error limits. Length given, breadth given, area we have to calculate. What is area formula? Length into breadth. Okay. So first operation you will do as it is without error. 4 into 2. So area is 8 meters square. First part I hope you all followed.
Yes.
Now relative error is dA upon A is equals to dL upon EL plus dB upon B. A we got 8. DL means this value. This is DL. 0.04 and L is 4. DB is 0.02 and B is 2. So dA upon 8 equals to 0.01 plus 0.01. Not followed?
Sir, I have a doubt here. You don't have to multiply 0.04 into 4
Huh?
because we are writing DL now. So we need to multiply the value of L also, right?
See, DL is notation. DL means error in L. What is meaning
Yes,
of
sir. Yeah.
DL? Error in L. DB, error in B. D is nothing. It is called operator. D has got no meaning of multiplication. It tells what you are writing. It is notation. Like suppose I write A, it doesn't mean it is area. It is just one notation. So same way here, DL is error in length. DB is error in B. DA is error in A. So D indicates small change. That is nothing but error. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Understood.
So dA upon 8 is 0.02. dA equals to 8 into 0.02. So dA will become 8 into 216 after 2-digit decimal. Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Now that means area will be actual value 8 with error as 0.16. Plus minus means it can be either positive or negative meter square. This is how we find error. Who has not followed? Please tell. Everybody has followed.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes.
देखो ये D का जगह पे डेल्टा लिखा तो भी चलेगा ये सिंबल. So this if I write delta x मतलब change in x, dx दोनों सेम ही है. Copy. Chapter is rule based. You have to only follow rule. There is no rocket science in this chapter. Next. A piece of material X is given to us. A piece of material X is given to us. Mass is 40 gram. With error, mass 40 gram with error of 0.4 gram. And its volume is 10 centimeter cube with error in limits of 1 centimeter cube. Find density. Wait 1 minute and see what they have given. Mass is denoted by M. Error is plus or minus. You can write delta M, you can write dm, both are same. So it is 40 plus or minus 0.4. Then volume V plus or minus change in volume, that is error, is 10 plus or minus 1 centimeter cube. First, have you followed this information? Okay. We want density. So density rho is mass upon volume. That means 40 upon 10 equal to 4. Then we want error. Error in density upon rho is same, delta M upon M. See, I wrote delta because you are getting confused with D. So this time I'm writing delta plus dV upon V. Any doubt till this?
No.
No doubt not till this? Please.
No.
Okay, please copy this much. Now you will complete your all assignment. Day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5 if not completed. So Friday I will check whether you have completed all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any doubt I will explain so that by Friday your assignment wala part is over. Sunday you write test, get full mark. Completed till that? D rho upon rho.
Yes, sir. Done.
So D rho we want now further. Rho we got 4. Delta M 0.4. M 40. Delta V 1. And V is 10. So delta rho. This is 0.4. If you want, you can multiply 4 upside. So first term also 4 is multiplied. Second term also 4 is multiplied. 4 into 10. So this will become 0.4 upon 10, 0.04 plus 4 upon 10 is 0.4. So 0.44. Therefore, density actual will be 4 with error limit 0.44. Unit is gram per centimeter cube. Just check, have you followed or not? Yes, Shruti, Gauri,
Yes, sir. Understood.
Gauravi, Pratham,
Followed.
Sarva, Ayushi, Krisha, everybody has followed?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, nothing is difficult. Yes, rules you have to understand. Completed?
Yes.
Okay. Next one. The length of wire is 4 centimeter plus or minus 0.04 centimeter. Radius is 1 centimeter plus or minus 0.01 centimeter. Find volume of wire. Find volume of wire. Wire is like cylinder, correct?
Yes.
What is its volume? Pi r square L.
Yes, sir.
So 22 by 7, r is 1 square and length is 4. So this will become 88 upon 7 centimeter cube. Leave in fraction, no harm. This much okay? 88 by 7. Now we want error. So delta V upon V, pi is constant, no error. Power becomes multiplier, dr by r plus dl by l. Now, okay, just this much copy. Then I will substitute and get the answer. See, further I have done. Therefore, delta V upon V is 88 by 7. Then 2 delta R 0.01 upon actual value 1. Same way delta L 0.04 upon 4. So it became 0.02 plus 0.01. Creates the 24 carry 2. 24 and 2 26 after 2-digit decimal upon 7. So I got V as 88 by 7 and error in V as 2.67 upon 7. Therefore, volume equals to V, which is 88 by 7 plus or minus 2.64 upon 7. This many centimeter cube. Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This sum write down. Find kinetic energy of a body having mass equals to 2 plus or minus 0.2 kg moving with velocity equals to 1 plus or minus 0.1 meter per second. This is m or delta m?
M.
M. And this one?
M.
Velocity v.
Sorry, V.
This is delta m, delta.
Delta V.
I want kinetic energy. What is formula for kinetic energy?
mv square.
Kinetic energy K equal to half mv square. So first kinetic energy will become half into mass 2 into velocity 1 square. That means 1 joule. Then we'll find error. Delta K upon K. Half has got no value, error, because it is constant. Delta M upon M plus 2 times delta V upon V. Okay? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Now delta K upon K1, delta M point 2 upon M2 twice of. Delta V is 0.1 and V is 1. So this will become delta K equals to 0.2 upon 2 is 0.1 plus 2 into this is 0.2. Therefore delta K is 0.3. Therefore kinetic energy equals to 1 plus or minus 0.3 joules. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Please copy now then.
10, sir.
So you got idea now how we are calculating percentage wala?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
एक minute हाँ. Assignment just open. Just open the assignment. Assignment. Day 1 I have solved all your difficulties. Day 2 you have done. Day 3, any problem anywhere in day 3 assignment? Just check. Day 3 assignment, any doubt anywhere? Because now only one part is left out, that is
Yes, sir. The third question I did not understand.
third question is what? 1 joule 10 raised to 7. That you didn't understood.
The T one.
Huh? D1?
T, sir. The question is
That is
T is
fourth,
equals to 2 pi. Sorry, fourth one. Sorry.
fourth one. T equals to 2 pi. Yes. नहीं मेरे पास टाइम है मैडम, लेक्चर चलते रहते हैं. T equals to 2 pi root of I upon mb. Is this formula dimensionally homogeneous? Dimensionally homogeneous means whether it is dimensionally correct or not. Now here this is difficult because all chapters you have not done in physics so far. Here T means time period, I is moment of inertia and its unit is kg meter square. What is moment of inertia? We'll study in 12th standard rotational dynamics first chapter. M is dipole moment. This will study in magnetism chapter. Unit is ampere meter square. B is magnetic field. This also will study in 12th magnetic field. Unit or unit is Weber per meter square, but you don't remember unit every time to get dimension. I will remember F equal to QVB wala concept. Now once these three quantities are known to us by studying all the chapters, then this sum would be easy. Right now, yes, it was difficult. So now I gave you the meaning. What is I? Moment of inertia with unit, dipole moment with unit, B with unit as well as formula. Left hand side, is it T? Left hand side, is it T?
Yes, sir.
So its dimension will be then M0, L0, T1. If I can find all right hand side dimension and if it is also coming same like this, then equation is homogeneous or dimensionally correct. Please copy only this much. Shall I clear now?
Sir, is this the dimensions one that we have done earlier?
Dimension we did, no? How to
Yes.
find dimension? Same method. Now we are using that dimension to check the correctness.
Okay.
So left hand side is time. I wrote dimension. Now right hand side I will find and check whether it is coming t raised to 1. Can I clear everything now? Because second part right hand side is bit lengthy, na?
Yes.
Rub कर देता हूँ. Everybody had copied?
Yes.
Atharva, you had copied?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now right hand side is 2 pi root of I upon I mb. I is not current here. Huh? 2 pi has got no dimension. So it will be only I upon mb power half. 2 pi is constant, no dimension. What unit I gave you for I?
Kilogram
kg,
per
kg per meter square.
Kg per meter you have written.
no, kg meter square.
kg meter square.
Kg means m1. Meter square means L2. What is capital M? Dipole moment. Unit is ampere meter square. So A1 ampere meter square L2. B is F upon QB.
Yes.
F means M1, L1, T minus 2 upon QV. Q is IT. Yes, charge Q is IT. Keep in
Yes,
mind,
yes.
IT. IT means I will write A1, T1. And V is L1, T minus 1. This whole raised to half. I hope you followed till this. Yes, followed?
Yes.
This is F, this is Q, this is V. ये ऊपर भी ले सकते हैं after judgment. अभी I wrote as per your information. L2 I can cancel. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
M1 also I can cancel.
Yes.
This A1 I can cancel.
Yes, sir.
This L1 I can cancel.
Yes.
And T1 and T minus 1 is what? T0 na?
It is to 0.
So only left out is this, correct? If this goes up, it will become plus 2 power half. So it becomes T1. Is it same as our left hand side dimension?
Yes.
So
Yes.
therefore dimension of LHS is equals to dimension of right hand side. Therefore, by principle of homogeneity, equation is dimensionally correct. Copy. Those who have not yet done all the assignment, Pratham, you just start. I will explain you, whichever you don't get.
Yes, sir.
Because by Friday, if you are not completing all, I have to take extra lecture for you and complete for Sunday's test. We'll see that everything from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, without error you are able to understand, and then in test you are performing errorless result.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, yes.
Done, sir.
So today we stop here. We'll meet on Friday. First, I will clear all your doubts and then